Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best wet-dry vac reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Shark VM252 VACMOP Pro Cordless Wet, Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Do you need to do an easy task like cleaning the house? If so, you can even look beyond a wet-dry vacuum cleaner and get a VACMOP such as this affordable Shark appliance. Coming under $100, the VACMOP takes a lot of energy from picking up dirt, pet hairs, and even cleaning stains on your hard floors. The best shop vacs are supposed to pick up chunky particles and clean wet messes, which this VACMOP is good at. It has excellent suction power, which, when tested by a reviewer, was easy to clean popcorn off the floor. Then, it comes with easy-to-install VACMOP pads that can dry spills on the floor. One feature that makes these pads great is that you can also spray water. As you clean the floor, they will dry it off. That way, you don't have to follow up with a mop after vacuuming dirt and pet hair. The disposable pads are also easy to dispose of. The vacuum has a button you press, and the pad falls off. So, you never have to touch the dirty parts of the vacuum. This VACMOP is affordable and lightweight. It is also cordless for easy handling. The battery charges in 3 hours using a magnetic charger to give you about 15 minutes of cleaning time. The portable shop vac also has headlights so you can see where to clean. The unit is best used for this cleaning solution, which is tailored to its cleaning system. Number 2. Our second best pick is Armor All AA255 Wet Dry Shop Vacuum. Shop vacs are lifesavers, but there are times you need more than dry and wet cleaning. In this case, a utility shop vac that can clean a thick mixture of dirt is your best solution. Now, this wet-dry shop vacuum comes with an excellent reviews, which gives a great guarantee of quality even before you buy. It is a lightweight shop vac that weighs just over pounds and comes with a 2.5-gallon tank, which is more than enough for house and car cleaning. It is powered by a 2-peak HP motor and comes with a 10-cord so you can cover a large area without looking for another socket. In addition to cleaning, you can also use this wet-dry shop vac as a blower. Even if you get a small shop vac, you worry about how noisy it could be lest you upset neighbors as you work. Luckily, this wet-dry vacuum has a built-in air and noise diffuser, which promotes a quiet operation. Your safety is also considered in the design, where you find the appliance comes with an automatic shut-off to prevent overflow. In addition, the affordable unit comes with everything you need for cleaning, including ample hose storage. Number 3. Our third best pick is Tineco Floor 1S3 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum. Looking to ditch cords and cables? Great, get the best wet-dry vac today, and your accidental falls will be a thing of the past. This shop vac is a great place to start. It is easy to use, recharge, and use again. The modern design makes this vacuum lightweight and easy to use. It is the best deal for you if you have joint or mobility challenges. In addition, it comes with the iLoop smart sensor that detects conditions such as dry particles or liquid spills, and the appliance will adjust its cleaning mode as necessary. It also has a digital LED control panel that makes usability pleasant, since you can tell when to recharge and how much juice the batteries have left. In addition, the wet-dry vacuum has dual tanks that separate the clean dirt from the clean water and cleaning solution you need for cleaning. That said, it is best only to use this cleaning solution to guarantee the vacuum's durability. Then, when the tank is full, you will love how the wet-dry shop vac has a self-cleaning feature that only needs you to press the button. Each charge can last up to 35 minutes, which is enough to clean every corner of your house. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum. If you have one or more pets, you need the best wet-dry vacuum to pick up pet hair and leave your air clean and allergy-free. This is another shop vac you can rely on, and the good news, it is designed to clean pet hairs even in the farthest corners of your home. It is a rechargeable model whose brushes are also self-clean once you plug it in at the charging station. The vacuum offers about 30 minutes of cleaning time after each charge. In addition, it comes with a 10.5-inch wide front that makes cleaning hair a breeze. While it can also dry out most water from your floors, some reviewers noted the brushes hold a lot of water, so you may not end up with completely dry floors. The wet-dry vac comes with a multi-surface floor cleaner so you can get cleaning in no time. It is your best wet-dry vac for pets, and every purchase sees the company a percentage to this pet foundation that aims to save pets around the country. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Stanley 6-gallon wet-dry vacuum. This wet-dry vacuum is a best-seller available in 5 sizes. Again, it's no surprise as it is a reputable brand in making vacuum cleaners. The mid-range 6-gallon size is large enough to do a professional clean-up job because you don't have to empty the bucket that often. In addition, it boasts 4.0 peak horsepower and powerful suction sufficient for any job. The machine has a 3-in-1 functionality that allows you to vacuum dry debris, wet surfaces, or liquids and blow leaves away using the blower port. In the package, you get a 4x6-inch super flexible hose, extension wands, gulper nozzle, crevice nozzle, floor nozzle, foam filters, reusable dry filters, and a dust bag. In addition, you can organize the hose and cords on the top handle and side wraps. With over 16 feet of cleaning reach provided by the 6-feet hose, 10 feet cord, and 3-piece extension wands, you can easily reach the farthest parts of the house, under the benches, and up the ceilings without unplugging the machine. Besides, it has 4 swivel casters for easy maneuverability, making it an excellent cleaner for mobile jobs like car vacuuming. This is one of the wet-dry vacs that's easiest to use because it has an oversized button that allows you to switch between wet, dry, and blower settings easily. It is a powerful, lightweight machine at a very affordable cost. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.